You know that I'm a problem. Damn. Damn. That problem game over. Damn. Shit, you know I got that bad. I want to bag. Shit, no. Okay. Turn on. What's wrong? I turn off the song. Oh, nah, that shit's fire. But now, what's good, YouTube? No, we back with another video. We got Karma is Real, my boy. Let's get right into it. Let's go.
On this episode of Doorbell News.
Hi, I used to live here. I was wondering if it's okay if I can take a look around because I used to live here like 15 years ago.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Why are you here?
Gainesville, Georgia. A catalytic converter thief is on the run.
Look at this slow behind police officer. This dude slow as dirt. How the crap did he make it? How did he make it through the academy, bro?
New Haven, Connecticut. Check her out. Look at that jaw.
Yeah.
It's like she's a ventriloquist or something. It's like her bottom jaw is moving, but she's not saying anything. She grabs someone's package, and then she takes off. I don't know why she rung the bell.
She had to make sure nobody was
Dover,
home.
Tennessee. A couple of cows get caught on Ring doorbell.
Cows?
Never know what you're gonna see. Gresham, Oregon. Check this grandpa out. Grandpa's out here stealing people's lanterns.
That man said new decorations for my crib.
San Jose, California. This woman claims she lived in this house 15 years ago. Now she's knocking on the homeowner's doors asking to come inside so she could rekindle some of her old memories from her old childhood house. Yeah, I've driven by houses I lived in when I was a kid. That doesn't give me the right to ask the current homeowners to come inside their house
Right, bro,
unexpected.
go about your
Check
business.
out what happens.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
You know the bars?
She about to.
There's no garage?
Yeah, there's no garage
It's like
anymore.
the
They
garage.
changed the house.
Why are you not letting me see?
Milpitas, California. Yeah, just like I said yesterday, these people are running around with these sanitation jackets on, but they're really porch pirates. East
Yeah.
Haven, Connecticut. An owl is spotted on somebody's Ring doorbell. Never know what you're gonna see. The homeowner says something to the owl, and he quickly hears it and pinpoints the location of the doorbell.
Nah, that was crazy. Yo.
The homeowner says something, and the
Bro,
owl
how are
immediately
owls
pinpoints
real?
the location of the Ring doorbell. An owl can only look straight. It must turn its head to look side to side. Owls can almost turn their heads all the way around, but it's not quite a 360 turn. They can turn their necks in 135 degrees in either direction, which gives them 270 degrees total movement. This is an amazing bird.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Portland, Oregon.
I can't even.
Yeah,
Yeah, no.
This is why you need a cam masker. This porch pirate immediately spotted the Ring camera sitting there.
Why you just pointing at the ground?
Austin, Massachusetts. Can't even have doormats anymore. Yeah. Your neighbor.
Yeah.
Oakwood, Georgia. This guy comes knocking at somebody's door at nearly 2:30 in the morning.
Sir, I need you to, can you please answer? I really need you to call someone for me, please. Like, I'm stuck and my phone's about to die. Like, I just need to know, like, if you could call someone for me, please.
Sounds like you're out of luck, buddy.
Damn.
Look at that hat he has on. That's really a ski mask rolled up. Yeah, these kids are wearing ski masks rolled up. It's like the new style. The minute you open the door, he's probably gonna pull that ski mask down. I don't trust this guy. Get lost. Yeah.
Get lost.
How do you end up stranded at 2:30 in the morning, knocking on people's doors? This doesn't sound right. San Jose, California. Remember this lady? Yeah, she uses some type of envelope to try to block her face, but we seen your face.
Like,
Get lost.
literally, bro, you're so...
Hyde Park, Massachusetts. So this guy says he's waiting for his Uber, and he says his battery is dying, so he's trying to charge his phone. So he's standing on this guy's porch, but the homeowner spots him on his Ring doorbell. Let's see what happens.
Can help you? Hello, I can help you? Hello?
Where the fuck that come
What are you
from?
looking for?
Like, what the fuck?
Hello? Hello? Hello, I can help you. I see you on the porch. I can help you.
I mean, this has happened to me before. I've waited for an Uber.
What do you
My phone
want?
was about to die. I mean, come on. Let this guy get a little power.
What do you want? I can see you on the porch.
The guy doesn't even realize where it's coming from.
Yeah, he's so...
What do you need it?
Doesn't look like he's up to no good. I mean, you can see his phone is charging.
Come to the front door.
Oh, hi. I'm all right.
Hi, what do you need?
I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for my Uber.
For your
Oh.
Uber?
Yeah, Uber.
You can stay on my porch.
Huh?
You can stay in my porch.
He means you can't stand on my porch.
Yeah.
Why?
He's trying to tell him to
Yeah,
get
I'm
lost.
just waiting on him.
It's a property. It's a private property. You can
Private.
stay here.
Yeah.
You don't live in my house.
I'm not being disruptive.
You can stay on my porch. It's private property. Please, out of my house. Out of my house. I called the police.
Meanwhile, in San Jose,
Ah!
remember her? She takes another package, but she trips and falls when she hears a neighbor coming. Aha. Karma. Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
she was...
called karma.
You dropped something in our wallet. Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
Meanwhile, in San Jose,
Hello?
She's still trying to get his crib.
I used to live here. I was wondering if it's okay if I can take a look around because I used to live here like 15 years ago, and I lived here for like 16 years. And I was wondering if there's like a knocker on the door, and I was wondering if it's still there because I was wondering if I can see it.
15 years ago?
Yeah, 15 years ago.
I still love, man.
Huh?
How does it look like?
This house, I used to live here, my family, for 16
Oh,
years.
she got a Minnie
Where
Mouse
is
around.
it at?
Here, this house.
Yeah, where is it? Which room?
Which room? Every room. This whole entire house. I took it into the place. I live here. Is there a knock? Can you? Because there's a gate right here. I can't see. Can you check on the door? What does it say on the knocker?
On the knocker?
There's a sign on the door. It has a last name on there. What? Can you see what it says? Because I don't remember. I think it's Stevenson, right?
Get lost.
I can't let you do that, but I'm gonna look around.
No, it's on the door, sir.
Yeah, but that's 15 years ago.
Oh, it's not there anymore?
Yeah, that's 15 years ago. I mean, people lived here right after you.
Okay, I was just wondering if it's still there or not.
Bro, watch out. Go home.
Is it? No, on the door. The wooden.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Wait, this guy catches a porch pirate trying to take his bike, and he's not too happy about it.
Hey, you wanna die? You wanna die? Stupid.
Yo.
Take it. No, take that. Take that. I'll you. Take it.
Bro, this man is wildin'.
Come back. I swear to God. I'm not home, but come back. Take it.
I don't know because this is a metal door. Behind the metal door, there's a wooden door. The door you just opened. There's nothing there? Okay, thank you. I know.
Make sure you like this video. New episode coming tomorrow.
What is it? Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I like these videos, bro. These videos don't be bad. Let me see. I could probably 2 for 1 real quick. 2 for 1. 2 for 1. Two for one, 2 for 1.
On this episode of Doorbell News.
It's what are you saying?
I've been walking all night. I have nowhere to stay.
Bro, it's 12 o'clock at night, man. What you doing ringing my bell?
It's 12 o'clock at night?
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock, man.
Bro, you creeping. He's a creep.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Houston, Texas. These 2 women outside of someone's house. Yeah, it's not always the usual suspects. The homeowner says that they broke inside and took some things. Let's see what happens.
I got Crocs on. I'm not even well equipped.
One of them tries the door.
Hola.
Hey, just because my door's open doesn't mean you can come in. Get lost. Phoenix, Arizona. Check out the size of this bobcat.
Nah, bobcat is crazy.
New York, New York. Check out that jaw. Yeah.
How? Chicken packages.
Part of Nevada. This guy looks like he's trying to break inside someone's house with a credit card. Yeah, this is why you gotta lock that top lock. Yeah, tough luck. Get lost.
Man, trying to get y'all.
Portland, Oregon. These guys walk up to someone's house with a Christmas tree and just leave it at their front door. I don't know what kind of prank this is, but Christmas trees aren't that cheap, so thanks, I guess. Phoenix, Arizona. Check her out. The old, I'm acting like I'm dropping off a package. I'm gonna knock at the door, and then I'm gonna grab your packages and run off. Yeah, so predictable. Phoenix, Arizona. A coyote walks up to a homeowner's front door.
Coyote.
Atlanta, Georgia. Check this guy out.
Why you moving
looks
like
he
that?
has some sort of scoliosis or something. His back looks really crooked. Looks
Yeah,
like
I can't.
it's
I gotta
curved
sit up
almost
straight.
like
You
a
make me
C
mad.
shape.
Through the door right now.
Yeah,
but if
it looks
you'd
like
like
he
to
needs
leave
to
a
take a
message,
seat.
you can do it now.
But it's 3 in the morning.
Okay, thank you.
Brooklyn, New York.
Okay.
FDNY. New York's finest. Looks like they're responding to a call. Yeah. Looks like they're responding to a call. Those guys are some of the bravest. Las Vegas, Nevada. Check out Mr. Clean here. Scheming on someone's package. Looks like he drove up in a U-Haul van.
Just grab it.
Hollywood, Florida. Felicia tries to open up someone's door,
Yeah.
but she's unsuccessful. Akron, Ohio. Check out what this guy has in his hand.
You got a toolie.
Phoenix, Arizona. Yeah, this female porch pirate takes about $600 worth of Christmas gifts. Then she runs back off to her white van. What a shame. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So this guy thinks he's about to take someone's package, but he's really just about to take a whole box full of dog poop. Yeah. Yeah. Hope you enjoy that dog poop.
What the
Brooklyn,
world?
Arizona. I don't know what this lady's up to. She's outside someone's house late night. It's almost 4 in the morning. I don't know if she's trying to get inside or what. She definitely needs to get lost. El Monte Springs, Florida.
What the world?
That's a big bear. Looks like he wanted to get inside the house. He's seen climbing on the side of the house. Scary stuff here. Looks like a 1,000-pounder.
Nah. You gotta get into your crib.
Orlando, Florida.
Hey,
Check
not-
this guy out. He thinks he's sneaking, but we
Yeah.
see you still in that package. Yeah. Yeah, he probably lives in the building. Ocoee, Florida.
dude.
Check this guy out. This guy walks up to someone's house at around midnight, talking about he's been walking all night
Look at
and he
Pokemon
has nowhere to
he's
stay.
like 50.
Hey, buddy, that's not my problem. Get lost.
Pretty sure. My name's just Alvin.
What was that?
Hi there. My name's Joseph.
I can't hear you. Talk louder, man.
Oh, hi. My name's Joseph.
Man, it's. What are you saying?
I've been walking all night. I have nowhere to stay.
Bro, it's 12 o'clock at night, man. What you doing ringing my bell?
It's 12 o'clock at night?
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock, man.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Nah, he's Zook.
Phoenix, Arizona. This female porch pirate gets caught in the act. Yeah, run off with that package. Yeah, we got your face on camera. Meanwhile, in Atlanta, this crooked bat guy is still ringing people's doorbells at like 4 in the morning.
Yeah, his fingers all weird.
Yeah, looks like you need to go to the hospital and see a chiropractor or something. This isn't the place.
Yeah, you need to go see somebody, my boy.
It's 4 or 5 in the morning, and he definitely needs to get lost.
You see how you standing?
San Diego, California. A backyard porch pirate gets caught in the act by the homeowners. Let's see what happens. Make sure you like this video.
Yeah, nah, that person just off something. I ain't gonna lie.
Doorbell news crime.
That person was clearly off something. That was like a little 2 for 1. Ooh. But nah, chat. I'm done YouTube, you know what I'm saying? A little nice little video. 2 in 1, bruh. These dudes really be stealing packages, bro. Like, every time I get a package, yo, go outside, bruh, and go meet that package right outside, cause nobody about to snatch mine. It's over, but don't forget, hey, leave a like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my Twitch, take clips. And we out. Team.